धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Good morning. The thought for today is start every day with a new hope. Leave all bad memories behind and have faith in a better tomorrow. It means that when we focus our energy on a negative thought, we cannot work on the better tomorrow because negative thoughts waste our vital energy. On the other hand, when we focus our energy on positive thoughts, then we get the vital energy to focus on our goals and to complete them. I repeat my thought, start every day with a new hope. Leave all bad memories behind and have faith in a better tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Nikunj. Today I will tell you about stress. Have you ever found yourself in a situation your to-do list seems endless, deadlines are fast approaching and you find yourself saying, "Eek, I feel stressed." But what does stress really mean and how does it affect us?
Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or a thought that makes you feel angry or nervous. Stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or a demand. In short bursts, stress can be positive, such as when it helps you avoid danger or meet a deadline.
Dear friends, there are many causes of stress, such as being under lots of pressure, worrying about something, not having much or any control over the outcome of a situation, having responsibilities that you are finding overwhelming, not having enough work, activities or change in your life.
Symptoms of stress. Emotional symptoms of stress include having difficulty in relaxing and quietening your mind, feeling bad about yourself, that is, low self-esteem, lonely, worthless, and depressed, avoiding others, laughing on irrelevant things or situations, twitching your hands and legs. Thank you.
Physical symptoms of stress include low energy, headache. Cognitive symptoms of stress include constant worrying, poor judgment, seeing only the negative side. Behavioral symptoms of stress include changes in appetite, either not eating or eating too much.
National Stress Awareness Day is celebrated every year on the first Wednesday of the month November. It aims to identify and reduce the stress factors in your life. Carol Spears, British entrepreneur, public speaker, author, and the chair of International Stress Management Association, founded the National Stress Awareness Day.
Good morning. I am Aradhya. Nowadays, mostly everyone is complaining about suffering from stress. So, I will tell you how we can cope with it. Firstly, identify why you are stressed out. Then, take control of your environment. Exercise regularly. Do yoga. Sleep well. Try to eat good food. And, of all, reach out to your loved ones. If you are stressed out, try doing some of the above things that will make you cheerful and relieved. Thank you.
कृपया प्रार्थना की स्थिति धारण करें। ओम भगवते नमः। ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम पृथ्व्यां नमः। ओम मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसरित हो।